In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to turn your data into a clean, professional visual that fits perfectly into any design. Start by opening Canva in your browser at canva.com and log into your account. Once you're in, open a new design or pick an existing one you want to enhance with a chart. If you're starting fresh, choose a size or template that matches your project, like a presentation slide, poster, or social media post, so your chart fits the final format from the start. Now let's access the chart tools. Look over to the left sidebar, click on Elements, then scroll until you see the Charts section. Click See All Charts to view your options. Choose a chart type based on what you want to communicate. A bar chart is ideal for comparing values across categories, a pie chart is great for showing parts of a whole as percentages, and a line chart helps you highlight trends over time. Once you've decided, click the chart style you want and it will appear on your canvas. Next, enter your data. Click the chart on your canvas, then click Edit Data. A data table will pop up. Type in your labels. For example, categories or time periods, and then your numbers. Keep your labels short and clear, and make sure your units are consistent so the chart is easy to read at a glance. As you type, you'll see the chart update instantly. With the data set, let's customize the design so it matches your brand or project. Click the chart to bring up the styling options. Adjust the colors to create clear contrast between data series, choose fonts that are readable, refine your labels so they're concise, and set the legend position where it won't compete with the main visual, top, bottom, left, or right. Small tweaks here go a long way in clarity and professionalism. If you need to change its size, click the chart and drag the corner handles to resize it proportionally. Keep it large enough to read without crowding the rest of your layout. To reposition it, simply drag the chart and place it where it balances your design best. When you're happy with everything, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose the format that suits your use. PNG for crisp images with transparency support, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for high-quality documents. Click Download, and your chart is ready to share, print, or publish. That's it, your data beautifully visualized in Canva.